Hi, and welcome to this section of the course on handling state and persistence. So in this video, we're going to talk about the challenges of CloudNative State and Persistence. So when we talk about CloudNative State and Persistence, things are a little different in a cloud-native environment. First up, the usage of some stateful Java EE APIs is slightly problematic, right? You have your servlet session, for example, or you have JSF as a highly server-side stateful API, and also JPA having a second level cache maybe. Now you might say, well, I can use session stickiness, but unfortunately session stickiness does not work in a cloud environment. Also, you may think of session synchronization via multicast, but unfortunately multicast also does not work in most cloud environments. Maybe you think session persistence is your option and you store this session in a database or using cookies, but this usually leads to bad performance. So we need to come up with some different, alternatives to handle state in a cloud-native environment. Let's talk about persistence. Well, there are quite a few persistence technologies out there. And you want your microservices to be horizontal scalable, well, your chosen persistence technology should also be elastic. It should also be horizontally scalable, and it should be fault tolerant. There's a multitude of persistence paradigms to choose from. You may want to use your classical relational database model, like classic SQL. Or you may want to choose NoSQL data stores, like index stores, document storages, or key-value storages. Or you may want to use a new SQL technology that combines SQL with NoSQL technology. And you want to have a suitable API to program all those. So there are quite a few challenges in a cloud-native environment, and this is what this course will be all about.